Well, there we go. Got the top rails pinned, T-post, legs. And make sure the legs go through this little strap here, all the way around. The feet, I've got little blocks under the feet. The pump is labeled. There's the B. There's a B. There's an A to the A. I have the control valve open, wide open. Once we turn it on, we'll see how much it flows, if it needs any adjustment. These right here, it's real sticky in there. I'm trying to put these in, it's a pretty snug fit. And they're oval. And we first put them in this way, and they go this way. And once we had them in, they were real hard to twist. So, directions weren't a whole lot of help. The steps, I had no directions for. Just make sure your bolts, there's a set that are these two here. They're a little bit shorter than the others. And then these two up here are even shorter. The ones that go in here are the longest. And then just make sure your little rings, make sure the shoulder goes down. And there's a little lock, keyway that fits in there. About all there is to it. Feet get spread way out. Like I say, I had no directions at all. I don't know if they got skipped in the pack or what. And we're filling slowly.